So, sisindihan ko na baba. I'll put now?
Wait. Just a minute.
Tell me.
I want to be a little. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
That's okay, I think.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, sisindihan ko na guys. Ito yung lighter. Ako parang... Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today it's Friday. It's holiday for us. So, nothing to do. And last week, I ordered some ear candle. Maybe you know about these things guys. It's ear candle. So, they told there are so many benefits using ear candle. So, I ordered online. So let's see which one is the benefits for ear candle. We will check to Mr. Google. Ginoggle talaga, no? So sabi dito, ang ear candle daw, Profos benefits. It's Profos benefits. Removing wax, bacteria also, other debris from the ear canal. So lalagay natin dito. Treating sinus infection. Sabi yung mga may sinus infection kasi 'di ba? This nose is connecting to the ear, so maybe if you got clean here in the ear, so it will be fresh also on the sinus. So improving hearing or reversing hearing loss, it seems. So it will clear your hearing. Another is relieving sore throats. So those who are having sore throats, it will relieve also, it seems. Treating colds and flus. Let's see, but we'll try it to my husband, but he don't have any sinus or something, but still we have to try. And relieving headaches and migraines. For me, I'm getting sometimes, most of the time, migraines and headaches. So I will try for me also. Improving mental clarity. And this one, I don't know if it's true. Tingnan natin. And the last one is purifying the blood. Really? Purifying the blood? So, let's see guys. Try natin to sa aking husband. So, i-ready na natin at tatry natin sa kanya kung talagang effective ang ear candle. Tignan natin kung mare-remove lahat ng kanyang dirty sa kanyang ear, kanyang tenga. So, let me prepare guys. Then, I'll show you how it is. So guys, nandito na siya na-ready. Are you nervous?
No? Why should you be nervous?
So, itatry natin sa kanya guys, kung effective nga ba. So, ito siya. Gumawa ako ng ganito. I make like this, so that you will put it inside, so that if anything will not fall to his face or ear. So, let's start guys. Tinanggal ko na yung isa. Sa isang packet, meron na siyang one pair, both right and left ear. So, unahin natin yung isa. Lalagyan natin dito. See guys? Ganyan ko, para if ever. See, meron siyang linya dito guys. See, meron siyang linya dito. Hanggang dito lang yung ano, until here only. If it's reached here already, then you need to patayin mo na yung apoy. Okay? So, lalagay ko siya hanggang dito. I'll put it until on the line. There is line here. Ganyan. And, there is some plastic here, maybe so that it will not be painful to the ear. Meron siyang ganyan. Parang, meron din siyang hole dito. Tingnan nyo guys, meron siyang hole dito. 4 na butas. Yan siguro yung magsasak ng dumi sa ear. Yeah? This is the one who will suck the dirty in your ear.
It is a good one actually. Rather putting earbuds and rolling around the ears to take out your dirt from the ears, but this is the good one where it is very easy to remove and it will be clean completely.
That's why we'll try.
Yeah.
Okay?
That's what we heard about it. So
yeah,
let's try and see.
According to Mr. Google. So, I will start. Let me put in the air, okay? Show me. See? Ganun guys, nakikita nyo? Nilagay ko siya sa butas. Let's make it little near. See? So, sisindihan ko ng baba. I'll put now?
Wait. Just a minute.
Tell me.
I want to be a little... Yeah, it's okay.
Okay?
That's okay, I think.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, sisindihan ko na guys. Ito yung lighter. Ako parang akong kinakabahan na I'm the one who's getting nervous, guys. Okay, let's start. See guys, ganyan siya.
It's already burning, yeah?
Wait, it's burning?
No, I'm talking about the...
It's burning already. Yeah. See there?
Yeah.
What's what you can feel?
Nothing, just kind of a burning, like, you know, the sound it comes. That kind of a sound is coming.
It's coming sound? Maybe because it's burning here up, no?
Yeah.
I can see also here. It's coming out the smoke here, baba.
Of course, no, that's why we hold.
Tingnan nyo guys, meron siyang smoke na lumalabas. Oo. I think your ear is burning.
No,
It's okay?
I don't feel any burning sensation.
You don't feel?
No.
Sure?
Yeah.
Nothing, no pain, nothing? There is no feeling like that?
Rather I smoke, my ear is smoking.
See guys?
It's good to have like this.
Dahan-dahan lang siyang na, hindi naman siya means yung nahuhulog yung pero mamaya siguro pag malaki na masyado, pag malapit na din nahuhulog siya. Kaya kailangan maglagay ng ganito guys for safety. Yes ba?
Yeah, the ash will fall on that pad.
Yeah. So kailangan maglagay ng ganito for safety. What do you feel, anything?
Nothing. It's fine.
It's fine?
Yeah. I just wanted to No,
Adjust?
it's okay. I just wanted to adjust.
Put it properly in the hole.
Yeah.
It's okay?
Yeah. Don't press it.
So guys, I saw it on Google that so many are trying. They told it's nice, but that's why we want to try also. So let's see if it's working.
Hopefully it will work. Definitely they would have said that it is good to clean up like this.
You can check it online, guys. So many sellers are selling online. Maybe there is also in Amazon, yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe there is in Amazon also ear candle. But prices, iba-iba ang prices. Umorder kami ng 3 set. 4 na set yata yon. So, malay natin, baka maganda. Lagi rin akong sinasakit ng ulo. So, malay natin. Matanggal. Sabi. So, anything? You feel something?
Nothing. It's just like a...
So, hindi pa siya nakakalahati, guys. Ano lang siya? Very...
No, it's just
Light
nothing.
is okay. Nothing?
Nothing.
So, ganyan lang siya. Siguraduhin lang, be sure that there is no air coming so that the fire will not go here and there. It will burn easily. Means slowly. Yeah, baba?
So that it will remove.
Why there is too much or what?
Who knows?
Who knows?
But
Yeah.
might be, of course, it will be there. The years means it will be there.
So guys, yung mga dyan, kumakain or something, wag muna kayong kasi titignan na nga natin, mapakita namin sa inyo, we will show you really if there is something really. Those who who feel yucky or eating something, don't eat for some time. Then I'll show you so that you will, we should have to show so that you will know also if it's really true that it's removing the wax in the ear. Anyways, he's cleaning also, but if we were using earbuds, it's really pushing inside. So those who are inner part, it can remove, yeah?
Yeah.
If,
It is dangerous also, always removing from the earbuds. Might be, the kids, small kids and all. If they put earbuds and all by themselves, they can hit inside the ear.
Okay guys, we'll show you.
But
Let's just finish this one.
Better.
We'll show you the outcome. Okay? See you. I'll show you the outcome just
A
for
few
some time.
moments later.
So guys, tapos na tayo sa una. Pinatay ko yung apoy nung nakarating na siya dito sa line. meron siyang line. After that, you can close or patayin na natin yung apoy. So, dito naman tayo sa pangalawa, backside view. So, lagyan na natin ulit hanggang dito sa linya. At sisindihan na natin. Sa kabilang tenga naman tayo, guys. Tapos bubuksan natin dalawa. Pagsasabayin natin. Ito yung sa first one is left here, ba? This is for the left side. Now, right side. Yeah?
Now is left side.
Now is left side? Yeah. Kamali naman. Sorry naman. Now, apoyan ko na ulit. Para siyang papel, guys. Now, lagyan natin ulit sa ear. Properly put in the hole. Okay? So, ito naman yung sa susunod, guys. Tapos, bubuksan natin dalawa. Papakita namin sa inyo. So, see you after some time. Tapusin lang namin to. We'll finish both. Then, we'll show you. We'll open.
A few moments later.
So guys, tapos na tayo. Ito na siya. Right and left. And
Yeah.
dito siya hanggang sa linya. Pinatay namin yung apoy hanggang sa linya. So, let's do the interview. Interview kita ba ha?
Interview.
Yeah. So, any different feeling? Any changes?
No, there's no feeling. Show me that one. No, there's no feeling.
There's no changes?
There's no changes, nothing. There's no burning sensation. There's nothing harms you on this. It is very easy to remove your wax from your ears.
You sure we
Because
didn't
usually-
open yet and you're telling, but let's see, we will open after sometimes, guys. But
I think it will
anything, there is, you can hear something or you can feel that
No,
it's
no,
removing or something.
only the
And the
some
burning,
kind of a sound.
the burning
Sound.
sound. Only that one. Nothing.
Okay.
So there is nothing feel, guys. So you can try. And this one we will open and we will show you one by one. We will open and we will show you. Yeah,
That is
that is what.
something which is
So
not good
tingnan
to
natin.
see, but at least you will have an idea.
Yeah.
Whether it is can we remove the wax from this or not.
So susunod, guys, ako naman. So tignan natin kung totoo ang nakakatanggal siya ng wax. Siyempre, pag nag-earbuds tayo, meron pa rin natitira. Sigurado kasi napupush naman siya sa ilalim. So, ready, guys? You want to see inside? Let's open. So, guys, i-open na natin. Tignan natin kung totoo nga nakakakuha ng earwax. Kumuha ako ng gunting, guguntungin natin kasi medyo matigas siya. It's little hard. So, I cannot tear it, so I will just use this scissor. Putulin natin. So, bubuksan natin. Let's open. So, see, guys, ganito siya sa ilalim. Meron nga siyang mga naging puti siya, pero marami siyang, see? Yan siguro yung mga dumi sa loob ng ear, ni baba. See? Buksan pa natin ng bongga. Let's open it properly so that we can see inside. Kinamay ko na, guys. Huhugas na lang tayo later. See, ayan siya, guys. Yan yung mga dumi. Nakukuha nga siya. See? It can be seen. This is the other ear. You can see it. It's really there. Yun yung mga dumi sa, parang sinipsip niya. Sinipsip talaga. Sorry naman sa word. Ito siya. So, bubuksan naman natin yung sunod. ko ang buksan dito. Kasi bubuksan natin guys ng paganito, pa-open. Medyo matigas kasi siya. See guys? Ayan, madami nga. Tingnan nyo. See guys? Ayan. Nakukuha nga ang daming dumi. See baba, come here.
Can we see?
This is what we get inside Baba's ear. Totoo nga, it's true. That it's really absorbing everything from inside.
The wax is...
Yeah, try nyo guys. It's effective. And it's really there. The earwax. So come here. So nakita nyo guys? It's effective. It's effective, Baba.
It's nice, actually, you know. See, this is...
And he didn't feel anything.
I didn't feel anything, yeah, really. I didn't feel
And
anything.
it's
Because
really,
it's coming out of the
everything.
ears. This kind of wax is much better rather, you know, putting the earbuds and rolling around. It can hit in the ears. To get out of this,
See
better
guys,
to wear
maghuhugas
tools like
ako.
this if you have. It's easy to remove everything. So better to use this
So
rather
it's,
using your hand,
they are
earbuds
correct.
and all. That's
It's
correct.
really working. So guys, it's working. It's nice. Try it by yourself. And we tried it and it's nice.
Good one.
Yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope we give you some
New thing
Yeah, new
to
thing.
watch.
Yeah, to watch. So please don't forget to subscribe and like our videos and share also.
Yeah.
And please give us a comments what video you want us to do. We will try to do it, guys. So see you. Love you all.
Thank you.
Bye bye.